Welcome back to another episode of Matchmaker Monday. My name is Melissa and I am with Sew Yours. Matchmaker Monday is our weekly series where I take the guesswork out of color matching for you and make shopping online much easier. Each week I select 3 feature fabrics and then select coordinating exteriors, linings, zipper tape, thread, and suggest bag hardware finish recommendations. After watching the video today, be sure to check out the description box where I list out all 3 collections. I put all of the products that are featured in the video today. It might also be a good idea to grab a pen and paper. That way you can jot down the names of the products and the colors if you find anything that interests you. For our first collection, we've got our painted Perch printed vinyl. This is a stunning vinyl, and we've got lots of choices to pair this print with because there's so many colors in this print. Here I have a Kiki crossbody bag. This is a Sew Yours pattern that you can purchase on our website. And this bag was made by one of our team members, Sharon. She did an absolutely stunning job. So here you can see we have our dark teal milled grain faux leather that Sharon chose. It pulls from the darker teal colors here in the bird. And she went with our teal zipper tape with the light gold color, coil color, and that pulls in with the lighter teal here in the background of the image. And then again we have our light gold hardware because that complements the yellow and the gold tones within the birds themselves. Another coil color and hardware finish that I would recommend for this bag would be gunmetal if you'd like, because we have some blacks in the bird right here. If you want to keep it basic, you could still use a nickel finish right here as well. So those would be my hardware recommendations for this particular print. And let me show you what Sharon chose for her lining of her bag. She went with one of our newest colors in our waterproof canvas, and that is the color Yam. And I really like how that is like an opposite color here to the teal and pulls in from all of the orange tones here within the birds. So beautiful bag. Let me show you all around it. It does come with a crossbody strap as well. So let me show you all the different vinyl options that I would pair. So starting off with the one that Sharon used, our dark teal right here. I'd say that that would be my choice number 1 for this particular bag. I think that the darker teal tones down this print because it does have a lot going on with it, and really just looks so cohesive together. Likewise, if you wanted to pick our milled grain faux leather in the color Jam, or right here I have our saddle soft vinyl in the color magenta, you could do that because it's pulling from the magenta tones in the flowers. So that would also be a beautiful bag. And if you like a lot of color, I would then recommend our hot pink Savannah suede. That will also work beautifully. Or you could go with our popular color in our Savannah suede. I think this is one of our best sellers, and this is our teal. So that's going to complement the background colors right here. So lots of options for exteriors. Now I've laid out the zipper tape as well as the thread colors that I'd recommend. So your zipper tape is going to depend on the accent fabric that you're choosing. We've got our teal zipper tape that matches our teal Savannah suede. I again would recommend the nickel, light gold, or gunmetal here. If you're working with hot pink, then we have our nickel and our gunmetal. We also offer a rose gold option if you wanted to go that route. I just picked my top 2 choices here in the hot pink. We have our punch colored Tex 45 thread that I would use with the hot pink Savannah suede. That's a great match. You could also use that on the milled grain faux leather in the color Jam, or you could use that on this one right here, which is the saddle soft in the color magenta. That would work too. And for thread for the teal, we have our teal thread that matches beautifully. You could even use that on the dark teal. I think I've ordered the dark teal Tex 45 thread as well. If I can recall correctly, I do think we have that coming in the near future. But in the meantime, we have teal. So that's going to work with this particular bag. And for this one, Sharon used our teal color. So you can see how the teal looks beautiful against the dark teal milled grain faux leather. Next up, let's look at linings. I would recommend one of 2 colors of our Liner Tex monostripe line. Here we have our banana and this one is our mint tulip. Both of those are going to complement the painted perch vinyl beautifully because we're pulling out those colors that are directly in the print. One other option, just like Sharon used, that I would also recommend and love personally, is our brand new waterproof canvas color, the Yam. So either of these three are going to work beautifully as a lining for your painted perch bag. Now, if you make this bag, I would love to see it. Please share it in our Facebook group or email me a photo at contact@sewyours.com. Collection number 2, I am just referring to it as purple. So this is for all of my viewers who love the color purple and or love rainbow hardware. I'm going to show you my recommendations here. So I have chosen 2 of our purple colored products. On the left here, I've got my milled grain faux leather in the color grape, and on the right is our new saddle soft faux leather in the color purple. So that way you get to see both of these side by side to see which one you like. The milled grain is a little bit darker. The saddle soft has a lot more texture to it. It's got a swirl pattern into it. So for this example, we're going to envision that the bag is made all in a grape colored or a purple colored vinyl for the exterior. So we've got no accent or printed fabric here. So when I have a bag that is done all in purple, my number one hardware choice is going to be to select rainbow hardware. And I seldomly select rainbow hardware. It's a little bit more challenging to pair with a lot of fabrics, but it really pops against the purple, as you can see right here. So that would be my selection for hardware as my first choice. But I also love light gold hardware paired with the gold. I think that that really pops against it too. A great contrast. My last option, if you like to keep it simple, would be nickel. But so number 1, number 2, and number 3 is my personal choices, but everybody's taste is different. Now let me show you the zipper tape. We have our grape colored zipper tape in the rainbow coil, if that is what you are choosing for your hardware. We've got the grape in the nickel. We also have the grape in the light gold. And let me just show you, since we do stock the grape in the antique brass, that's what the antique brass would look like too. So that is your options for zipper tape that match the milled grain faux leather and the saddle soft the best. Now, whenever I am working on a bag that the outside is a solid color, and there's no print on the outside, I like to go a little wild and crazy for my lining. I personally like a bag that is pretty much a solid color on the outside, and then all of the pop is on the lining. I think it's much funner when you can put all the bright, fun cheerfulness inside the bag, because to be honest, a bag that has a lot of color to it isn't always going to match our outfits. So let me show you some linings that are going to look great. First up for linings, I am going to show you 3 of our liner text prints. This is a water resistant fabric. It's bonded nylon, and the water sheds off it beautifully, making it perfect for linings, but a lot of our customers also use it for bag exteriors. So the first print that I have right here is called Soft Breeze, and I really like how the purple tones in the print pull and tie nicely with both of these exteriors. Here we have our Lavender Fields, and I think if I were to choose of all of the liner text ones, I think I would be choosing the Lavender Fields as my favorite. It's a lighter color, has lots of purple tones in it that's going to tie together beautifully with the exterior of the bag. This one's going to be perfect for your rainbow hardware pairings because you've got all those colors that are in the rainbow hardware, and this one is called our Enchanted Wildflowers. Next up, I have our water resistant canvases. I pulled 3 prints that are going to complement the purples, and this is another one of my top picks in the canvas. So here we have our purple prairie print. Again, it's going to look great with the rainbow hardware. And I just wanted to show you a side-by-side because these prints are very similar. So this is the liner text in the Enchanted Wildflowers, and this is the canvas in the purple prairie. So that way, if you're trying to decide between the two, they are right here side by side for you. Our next print is called Pastel Meadows. This is a real big seller for us. I would still pair this with the rainbow hardware. Even the gold hardware is going to look real pretty right here. Lastly, we have Lavender Whispers water-resistant canvas, which pairs beautifully with both the milled grain faux leather and the grape, and the saddle soft in the color purple. For our thread, we have our Text 45 in the color grape, which is going to look beautiful against the grape milled grain faux leather or the saddle soft in the purple. Now I'm going to give you a little bonus in this collection. So the feature fabric in this particular collection, it was ultimately one of these solids, but I wanted to show you the printed vinyls that go along with these as well, since I already had these out. So let me show you a few different options here. This is our Marble Dreams printed vinyl on a cracked texture. This is going to look great with either of them. I really don't have a preference between the two. I would absolutely use gold hardware here. You could also use the rainbow because there's the same tones. I would lean towards the gold just because it really is going to pull out all the gold veining in this print. Next up we have Misty Weave. This is one of our newer signature prints on a Saffiano texture vinyl, and I am loving this combination with either of these tones of purple. I would go with either rainbow or light gold. I think I'm partial to light gold here because it has the yellow tones and that pulls it together. One other recommendation is going to be our Inked Layers Saffiano texture vinyl. And for that one, you could go with the rainbow hardware, the light gold, or even gunmetal here. If you're choosing to use a print for your exterior and a solid as an accent with or without the print, I would stick with a solid lining because we've got a lot going on here with the Marble Dreams print. So we are pulling from the lighter tones here in the print, and I've chosen our liner text monostripe in the color lavender. I think that that would be my top pick here, and I would make this bag with the rainbow hardware, or I would make it with the gold hardware. Now, if that lavender lining is a little bit too much purple for you, we could pull from the gold tones here in the veining and select the banana color in the liner text monostripe. That's going to work really well with this bag. Our third and final collection, collection number 3, I'm calling Navy. I'm giving you another 2-for-1 here. First up, I want to show you what the navy looks like as the accent fabric paired alongside a printed vinyl. This is one of our best-selling vinyls. This is called our Gilded Gardens Navy. I personally made a bag with this print, and I believe it was the Savannah Suede in the navy. That was the Laura Jean bag that I made. I reluctantly sold that to a gentleman that was very persistent in wanting to buy it. His wife loved the bag when she came into our shop, and he came back on a second day without his wife and convinced me to sell it to him even though it wasn't for sale. So I know that he made his wife very happy with that Laura Jean. So all I can do right now is show you what that bag looks like here on the screen in a photo. So for this particular one, I'm going to select our navy zipper tape because that's what matches the best with the navy fabrics. And we have this available in the light gold and the antique brass. Those would be my 2 top recommendations. I personally like the light gold because it pulls in the gold tones here and the flowers, but you can also do antique brass because we have some warmer tones right there and that flower. We also offer Text 45 and Text 70 thread in the navy color for you. Then here is a look at the hardware. Here's your light gold and here's your antique brass. Next up, let's pick a lining. I have chosen 2 for you. Here we have our powder blue in our liner text pinstripe collection. It pulls out those lighter blue tones and the flowers. I love this one so much. I didn't have this product line at the time that I made my Laura Jean. I had just used some quilting cotton that we had. And another great option, again, is the banana in the liner text monostripe because we've got those yellowy gold tones in the flower. Either one of those is going to be beautiful with this combination. For linings, if you're doing the exterior all in a navy blue, I would recommend our waterproof canvases. Here I have our indigo pebbles. This is also available in a quilting cotton. We have Antique Garden. That pairs really nicely with the Savannah Suede in the navy. We have our Harmony Rose, Amber Blooms, Liberty Garden, which gives off patriotic vibes, and something fun and youthful, we've got our watercolor chevron. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found something that inspires your next project. If you would like for me to color match a Sew Yours product in an upcoming Matchmaker Monday video, be sure to leave a comment with the product name. Remember to check out the description box for the 3 collections that I put together with all of the items featured in today's video. Shop all bag making supplies on our website at sewyours.com. And until next time, bye-bye.